Hi, welcome to the short how-to videos from the Australian Pastures Genebank. Today we're going to look at ordering seed from the APG in Genesys. Genesys is an online platform where you can find information about plant genetic resources for food and agriculture conserved in gene banks worldwide. To find the web page, type Genesys-PGR into your search bar. To find accessions in the Australian Pastures Genebank, we first need to log in or create an account. So select Login and enter your username and password, or alternatively, select the Create an Account. Now that we are logged in, we can search the some 4.39 million accession records held in Genesys. Today, we're going to look for accessions that belong to subterranean clover. So under the species, I'll search for Trifolium subterraneum. And apply the filters. Next, we want to refine the holding institute to the Australian Pastures Genebank. So we look for Oz167 and again apply the filters. You can now see that our search limit has returned just over 9,000 accessions. Here you can see an overview of the return search. There are 4 subspecies, and I can also click on the blue link to further restrict the search to subspecies subterranean. When we scroll down, we can see information about the country of origin, safety duplication, and so on. Today I'm going to look at under biological status. I'm going to select wild accessions. We're now going to look at the distribution of the collection origins in a map for those accessions that have a latitude and longitude associated with their collection origin. I'm going to zoom into my area of interest, which today will be Sicily. Use the selection tool to select an area and restrict my search to accessions collected from Sicily. Now if we click on the Accessions tab, we can look at the accessions individually and add them to my list so that they're ready for order. We can also click on the individual accessions to bring up their passport information. For this accession, you can see that it's other names, and because it has a latitude and longitude associated with its collection origin, Genesys will bring up the climate information for the collection origin. You can also see that this information has a high PDCI score. Here I am toggling to remove and add this to my list. Once you've selected all of your accessions, you're now ready to finalise your order. So click onto My List and you'll see a summary of your selected accessions. We can also come down to this green circle and download the MCPD or passport information for our accessions. Click on the downloaded file, and here is the passport information for the accessions in our order. There's some really useful information here, often that the collector provides, such as information about the collection site. To finalise the order, it's quite easy. Just follow the simple steps. So request for material, and next step that we'll see on the next slide, we will enter our personal information and finalise the order. And that's all there is to it. We will receive your order at the APG and ask for your organisation's PID number that you can get at the FAO Easy SMTA website. We will then get your order ready to send. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and check out our other videos.